Ever wondered what the future of business could look like with the integration of AI robots? We're living in an age of rapid technological advancements, and one of the most exciting developments is in the realm of AI robots. Take for instance the Tesla Optimus Gen 2. This technological marvel promises to revolutionize business as we know it. In this video, we'll delve into 7 reasons why the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is a game changer for businesses. Firstly, let's consider the massive leap in efficiency that the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 brings. This robot is designed to automate repetitive tasks, which not only increases speed but also ensures a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. Imagine a workforce that never tires, never makes mistakes, and is always on the go. This is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is set to redefine productivity standards across industries. The second game-changing aspect is the potential for significant cost reduction. Imagine this: Tesla Optimus Gen 2 robots tirelessly working round the clock, eliminating the need for overtime pay, benefits, or sick days. Yes, there's an initial investment, but over time, the savings on labor costs can be substantial. Plus, the reliability of these robots means less downtime, more productivity, no more shift changes, no more vacations. Robots like the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 could be the key to more profitable operations. Reasons 3 and 4, non-stop operations and improved safety. Imagine this: a workforce that never tires, never needs a break, and is always at its peak performance. That's what the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 brings to the table. It can operate round the clock, pushing productivity to new heights. No more downtime, no more shift changes, just continuous, efficient work. Now let's talk safety. In many industries, there are tasks that pose significant risks to human workers. Hazardous environments, heavy lifting, repetitive strain. These are all elements that can lead to accidents or long-term health issues. Enter the Tesla Optimus Gen 2. It can perform these dangerous tasks without risk, improving workplace safety dramatically. It's not about replacing the human workforce, but rather about protecting it, ensuring that people can focus on tasks that require human touch and ingenuity. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is transforming the concept of working hours and workplace safety. 5th and 6th on our list are scalability and improved data management. With the Tesla Optimus Gen 2, businesses can now scale operations like never before. Imagine a workforce that can be replicated in minutes, not months. A team that grows with your business, at the pace of your business, but it's not just about numbers. It's about quality, consistency, and precision. Every Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is an expert, every time. Now let's talk data. In the digital age, data is the new oil. But managing vast quantities of data can be challenging. Enter the Tesla Optimus Gen 2, with its advanced data management capabilities. It can process and analyze large amounts of data, turning it into actionable insights. This leads to better business decisions, increased efficiency, and ultimately higher profits. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is poised to make businesses more scalable and data-driven. The future of business is here, and it's powered by Tesla. Finally, the 7th reason is the competitive advantage offered by the Tesla Optimus Gen 2. Imagine being one of the first businesses to harness the power of this revolution. You'll be at the forefront, setting the pace while others scramble to catch up. By integrating the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 into your operations, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're leading the charge. This leap forward could reshape your industry's landscape. The Tesla Optimus Gen 2 could be your ticket to standing out in a crowded marketplace. In a nutshell, the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is set to revolutionize the business landscape. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never tire, enhancing efficiency and productivity in ways we've only dreamed of. It's the dawn of cost reduction and the sunset of unnecessary expenditure, as this advanced bot can perform tasks previously requiring human labor. Imagine your operations running round the clock with no downtime. That's the promise of 24/7 operations. And let's not forget about safety. Tesla Optimus Gen 2 reduces the risk of workplace accidents significantly. In terms of scalability, this bot is a dream come true. It can handle data management tasks seamlessly, giving you more time to focus on growth. And in this competitive business world, having a Tesla Optimus Gen 2 is a definitive edge. Investors, entrepreneurs, and small business owners, it's time to take advantage of this technology revolution.